Akiaria na andĩki a mohoro thutha wa mũcemanio na anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũkui gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, President William Ruto augĩte thĩna wa maguta nĩ thĩna ũhutĩtie thĩ yothe, akiuga thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgeria kũhorohia thogora ũyũ, gũkũ akĩũria Akenya mathiĩ na mbere na kũũmĩrĩria.
Kenya is facing the effects of global fuel crisis caused by the ongoing conflict in the Middle East. This is not a crisis affecting Kenya alone. Countries across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas are all struggling with rising fuel prices, fuel shortages, and disruptions in supply. This has created one of the largest global oil supply shocks in modern history.
President eranĩire atĩ thogora wa dithoro nĩ ũkũgũithio na ciringi 10 hĩndĩ ya mathogora merũ itĩna-inĩ rĩa mweri wa gatandatũ na mweri wa mũgwanja.
I have directed that in the pricing cycle, next pricing cycle, we are going to further reduce the price of diesel by a further 10 shillings for the June-July cycle to help stabilize pump prices and provide additional relief to consumers.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩu President akiuga bũrũri ũrĩ na maguta ma kũigana.
Through the government-to-government fuel supply framework, we have secured guaranteed fuel supplies despite global supply chain disruptions, ensuring uninterrupted fuel supply availability across the country. The arrangement has stabilized fuel pricing compared to the old spot market system, where prices fluctuated sharply every month.
Oho President nĩ okĩrĩire mawoni marĩa mendekithĩtie kweherio kwa magoti ma maguta, akiuga ikinya ta rĩrĩ nĩ rĩkũhotomia mĩhang'o ĩngĩ ya ũthii wa na mbere.
There are those asking government to remove all taxes and levies on fuel immediately. But we must ask ourselves honestly, if we stop collecting these revenues entirely, what public services shall we stop funding? Do we go back to the spectacle of stalled road projects that had become a hallmark across our country? Do we stop the fertilizer subsidy that is enhancing food security? Do we cut the security budget that helps us secure our borders, combat criminal gangs, and protect citizens?
Ũhũthĩri wa ngari cia thitima nĩ ũmwe wa maũndũ marĩa President agwetete ta njĩra ya kweheria ũhũthĩri wa maguta.
And the government has already ordered 3,000 electric vehicles through the Ministry of Interior for use by our security and administration officials. I am also making a declaration that the first 100,000 electric vehicles to be imported into Kenya, whether for public service or private use, will be duty free.
Oho President nĩ aheanĩte mendekithia matiganĩte ma kũhũrana na thĩna ũyũ.
The Ministry of Transport will engage financial institutions and the banking sector to provide a platform for transport operators to address the financial challenges arising from the current crisis, including the possibility of temporary relief on lending terms within the sector.
Kũrũmĩrĩra mĩario ĩno, rĩu anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũkui wa mũingĩ nĩ maninĩte mũgomo ũrĩa ũrarũgamĩtio kwa ihinda rĩa kiumia kĩmwe.
We've called off the strike. We had suspended the strike, but we've called it off. So we will not have strike next week. We are going to work.
Everybody to return the vehicles on the road, and for the entire country to understand that I think there is an economy here to save, and we are all looking forward to His Excellency to ensure that he drives the agenda of public transport.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ gĩcũa-inĩ kaunti ya Mombasa, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.